Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see login activity in Instagram. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then click the three horizontal lines and click Settings and Privacy. From there, go to Account Center and select Password and Security. In the Password and Security section, you'll find an option called Where You're Logged In, and tap on it and choose an account. You can select any of your Instagram or Facebook accounts that are connected in your Meta Account Center. So just proceed to choose the account which you want to see login activity. So here in my Instagram account, these are the login activities that are currently active. So if you want to choose a login activity of a particular device, just choose that device. In my case, I'm choosing iPhone 11 and we can see the recent logins from this particular device. And if you want to log out of your Instagram account from any device, simply select devices to log out and check the devices you want to log out from. You may choose multiple devices or select all if you want to log out from all of your devices. And that's it. That's how you can easily check your login activity in Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!